Hello, and welcome to another edition of Panic Props. Today's lesson is going to be based on painting with the basic primary colors yellow, red, and blue. You can pretty much come up with any color that you need for painting with your projects or artwork based on these three colors. And with the addition of white and black to help lighten and darken these colors, you'll pretty much tackle any project you need requiring paint. So you get out, get your yellow, your red, and your blue, and you don't seem to have any other colors available, you can still pull off whatever project you need. So we will get to that. Painting 101 by Panic Props. Hope you enjoy.
Here we are, got some palettes down here with some primary colors and mixing of the primary colors. So might be some basics for some of you, and could be some learning for some of you. So we're gonna go through this, and hopefully it's easy to follow. So here we go. We got your primary colors, yellow, red, and blue. These are the most primary colors. You cannot mix other colors to create these colors. Those are them, yellow, red, and blue. Using these three colors, you can come up with any color you need for your project. So if you do not have an entire palette of varying colors to your disposal, yellow, red, and blue, that's all you need. A little more time consuming, but it's also more creative. You come up with more unique colors, and you can find that perfect color you're looking for your project. So the only other two colors I would recommend with primary colors is the white and the black. These are very useful for lightening and darkening whatever colors you're mixing. And instead of dealing with mixing the lighter and darker colors here to create a lighter or darker color that you're looking for, the white and black, that'll get it done quick. Also, the white and the black is very useful for getting gray, one of the colors we will be mixing later on. White and black is a lot quicker and easier to do. So to start with mixing primary colors, if you take the yellow and the red and mix them, you will come up with orange. Now be aware, red is darker than yellow, so going like a 50-50 mix isn't always what you want to do. If you do 50% red, 50% yellow, you will come up with a dark orange. This is not a dark orange. So this is probably a 3/4 mix of yellow versus a 1/4 mix of red. Then you'll come up with a medium color. If you want to go lighter, you could add more light, which is the yellow because it is the lighter color. Otherwise, you could add the white. If you want darker, you could add more of the red, which is the darker, or you could add some black. Now be aware again, if you're using the white to lighten, you will take more white to lighten it. Using the black, you do not want to use very much black because it is overpowering. And always the darker color will take over whatever project you're working on, whatever mixing you're doing. The darker color will be dominant, so be aware of that. The next two primary colors we're going to mix is the yellow and the blue. Mixing these, you will get a green. Again, lighter yellow, darker blue. 3/4 mix, 1/4 mix gives you a lighter green, or a medium green, I would say. If you do 50-50, it will be a dark green. The last two primary colors, the red and the blue mixed together, they will give you a purple. Again, this is the lighter color, blue is the darker color. 3/4, 1/4, you will get a medium purple. 50-50, a dark purple, 3/4 of the blue, 1/4 of red, it will be an extremely dark purple. So again, be careful of your dark colors. And if you do have the black and the white, great way to lighten and darken. Really quick, really simple, and it's very much recommended. So you see, we have the mixture here, the black and the white. Mixing those two colors, you will get the gray. Now if you're mixing your mixed colors, we are looking at the green mixture of the blue and the yellow, and the orange mixture of the red and the yellow. If you mix these two colors, you will get a varying green color. You have a olive color here by mixing the green and the orange. That's more of a green, less of an orange. If you go with more orange, less green, it's more of a lime color. So You can come up with varying colors depending on your project, what you're looking for, using these two colors if you do not have the blacks and the whites. Another combination of mixed colors here that you've done is the orange and the purple. So using the red and the yellow to create the orange, the blue and the red to create the purple, you can come up with a brown. Pretty much the only way you're going to mix a brown. So using the orange and the purple, lightening and darkening, varying the light orange and the dark purple. Depending on how you mix them, you have a lighter or darker brown. If you have, again, the white or the black, you can lighten and darken. As with all colors, the white and the black is very useful to have. And finally, the last two colors that we have mixed and can use to create another color is the green and the purple. By mixing the green and the purple, you will come up with another version of gray. Again, black and white was gray, that's great. But if you don't have the black and white, you can create a gray using green and purple. It takes a little bit of work, a little bit of varying amounts of color, but you can pull off a gray using these two colors. So that's your primary colors, that's your mixing chart, great palette, and I recommend using a mixing stick. It's a lot better than using a brush, continually cleaning a brush. Mixing sticks are great for this. And that's it. Primary colors for any project you need.
And that is Painting 101 by Panic Props. If you liked the video, got some helpful tips out of the video, or know somebody that could make use of this information, feel free to share, like up the video, and subscribe. We got plenty of other information out there for you to look at, read, watch, and definitely subscribe to the channel. And we'll keep posting. We'll keep getting videos out there. You can learn, get more things done, maybe find something new that you didn't even think about. And we'll see you soon. All right, thank you for watching.